Hi friends, if you are willing to make a property, real estate and listing website, this video is for you. And I am happy to record this video this video is going to be 7th video in this category, in real estate category on this channel, and this theme is also very good. This is why it is here. This theme is Homeo, and Homeo is specifically real estate WordPress theme. The theme has been developed by the WP Theme, and it was developed in 2020 only, in last year, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So with this theme you can create a property listing website or home rental or similar activities website, and this theme has got 10 home pages, so you have choices to select with as per your need and choices. And I'll show you 1 or 2 demos as well. This is the first demo of Homeo WordPress theme, and it has a very clear and stunning look, and features are very rich for a property listing website. And I'll show you one property listing as well. And this very not to choose website project, which shows information in itself, and it has contact agent form as well. So it is a professional look of real estate property listing website, and it has got all the features for listing the properties like virtual tour, property video, basic information, maps, and all things are here. So in this video we are going to install the Homeo real estate WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. I have this installation and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have guides, licensing, plugins, Homeo main theme file and Homeo child theme file. So let us begin the installation. For installing the theme, we need to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the Homeo theme.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same, it will save some time, and the theme size is 26.81 MB. It is moderate size. The theme should work fast on the website, and both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload from WordPress interface or you can directly upload on the server. I have chosen the second one, and once it turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Homeo folder, in which we got all the theme components, files, and now we can delete the zip one. Now go to the theme section again, and now we have Homeo as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Homeo version 1.2.3 by WordPress Theme, and it uses WordPress framework. Activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install the necessary plugins, and these are the necessary set of plugins required for running this theme. Almost all are required to run, and I'm going to install all plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install the plugin in one go. Just install one by one to avoid errors. And if you are going to take the hosting from WP Themes, you are going to get same capacity server in a very reasonable price. So rest assured, all plugins has been installed now, and now we can activate all. Okay, fine. So all plugins has been installed and activated along with the theme. Now we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. After that, we can choose to import the demo, and this is the basic look of Homeo theme without any demo content, of course. And this is the clean website. To put the content from fresh, either you can use the demo website. So I'm going to show you how to import the demo now, and come to the dashboard. I'm looking for the demo import option. Now it should be under tools, I believe. It is not here. So appearance, yes, under appearance it is laying import demo data. And this theme has got one-click demo importer, so we can simply click on import demo data. It is going to take time, and the import process has started, and it has been said that it can take 5 to 10 minutes. So we have to wait here on this screen only. Don't try to leave or refresh this page. However, you can work on different tab, but keep it open until the demo import gets complete. It should run. You will reach on this screen once the demo import gets complete, and all done. That's all done. You can now deactivate the one-click demo import plugin, and this screen shows that the demo has been imported successfully. Now we can check our website again. And something good is loading, and yes, it is really very good, and the import process was smooth, and the website is here, and the complete segments are here. So what you need to next, just put your own and original content, and you are ready to go. So just search and get the result of properties, and we got all the home pages as well. So you can choose any of the home page available for you, and so I'm going to give you the link of this demo website as well. And let us check one listing page to confirm that functionality is fine. Yes, it is loading, and it is loading fast. In fact, I am not using any cache plugin as of now, and it is fine. So we can conclude that we have successfully installed the Homeo theme in this video, and we have all the home pages along with the demo content and other pages as well. So all are fine, and all the demo websites having a very clear and professional look. So you can choose any for your project. All are going to work very fine. And these are the user dashboard, user interface. So user got all the facilities here like a professional website, and you can even submit the property. Users can log in and submit their property for listing on the website, and there are different plans as well for that, like you are selling the listing, I mean for you can keep your listing, keep the property listing paid, or even you can free. So that is fine, it is up to you how you attract the visitors on your website for property listing, and it can be free or paid as well. So property grid, I will show you. And this is the property grid. Okay, so it is having a very professional look and to the point approach. And now, since we have completed the installation, I will take you quickly through the theme options, and I'm just refreshing, going to dashboard, and these are the common options as in WordPress. Footer builders are new, header builders are also new, I mean additionally in addition to WordPress defaults, and imported I've seen. And these are the theme options. I'll show you the theme options what we got for controlling the website. And these are the options. This is general option, header option, footer option. Header you can choose any, so there are multiple header as well, so choice is yours what you want to put in the header and how you want to put. Footer is also here, footer are also many. Blog, shop setting, property setting, agent setting, agency setting, register form. Okay, register form you can set, that is good. And 404, and now so this is the important segment for a property listing portal like this, and these are the property listing. I'll show you the all properties, how you can list the properties, and agencies and agents are also here, so you can add new property from here. I'll show you already added one. This is the property, adding property interface, basic information, additional information, price, location, media, amenities, floors and authors. So it is fine for a property listing, all the information are here, and there are different facilities as well. So location, statues, labels, amenities, materials, fields manager and all. So agencies are here, so there can be property agency, so agency can be added from here, and these are the agency listing. So I'll show you the one of the listing of agency. And this is the agency listing. These are the information about the agency: network 1 2 3 4, and the location, friendly address, and agents are here. So agency listing is also very simple. Similarly, there are agent listing. So all facilities are here to run like a professional real estate or listing website. So now I'll show you how to edit the content on a page. So this theme uses Elementor, so you can simply click on edit with Elementor after opening the page. And once it gets uploaded, page contents are here, and you can simply click on the pencil icon to edit the content and change or replace the content as a whatever you require. So simply click on the area which you want to edit, and there would be option in left panel to edit the content, or it will show you the connection where to edit, and it will work fine. So working with the Elementor is more easy in fact, and even a non-technical person can do such activities very easily. So now we can conclude that everything is fine with this theme, and you can certainly choose this theme for your real estate and property listing website. It is good, nice, wonderful. And if you have any question regarding this theme, you can simply write in the comment box of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme, and you can get directly in touch with me, and I'll definitely try to answer your queries. And there is also a community there, and the members can help you in the theme installation process, and your questions can be replied there. So it is wonderful, and I assume you have done a good job by subscribing this channel, and if yet not, you please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful videos on themes, plugin and utilities. Thank you.